Hello, my name is Syarif Mahdi. I'm from Sukku Collective. Right now, I'm studying in SBM ITB. I'm taking an entrepreneurial major in the last year. So my company is Sukku Collective. I'm the chief operating officer.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper you.
At the event, so we talked with Mr. Anton, and he created that point of view to every company to be succeed to in Blibli network.
Tradisional marketing yang kayak gini, ini bagus nggak kira-kira? Pertama, ini bisa dibuat sesuai dengan peruntukannya. Kemudian yang kedua, yang namanya digital marketing, bedanya apa? Yang jelas kalau yang ini nggak online.
So the event give benefit to us that we must look into community building that can create a new idea and a new perspective to our product, and it was a great opportunity to learn something new, like how to grow the market, how to use the tools in Blibli and other websites. So that's all from me. Thank you.